Real estate is a complex market with a variety of factors affecting property values. Two of the most important terms in real estate are assessed value and market value. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they actually refer to two distinct measurements that can have a significant impact on the buying, selling, and owning of property. In this blog post, we will explore the differences between assessed value and market value and what they mean for homeowners and potential buyers. Assessed value is the value that a local government assigns to a property for the purposes of determining property taxes. The assessment is based on a variety of factors, such as the size of the property, the age of the property, the location, and any improvements that have been made. The assessment is usually done by a local government agency, such as a county assessor's office. The assessed value of a property is not always the same as its market value. In fact, assessed value is often lower than market value. This is because the assessment is done for tax purposes, and the government wants to ensure that property taxes are fair and reasonable. For example, if two identical houses are located on the same street, but one has a larger yard, the assessed value of the house with the larger yard may be higher because it has more land. However, the market value of both houses may be the same because buyers are willing to pay the same price for both houses. Market value is the price that a property would sell for in the current market. This value is determined by a variety of factors, such as location, condition, and the current supply and demand for similar properties. Market value is often determined by an appraisal, which is performed by a licensed appraiser. The appraisal takes into account the condition of the property, any recent improvements, the neighborhood, and other factors that may affect the value of the property. Unlike assessed value, market value is not determined by a government agency. Instead, it is determined by the buyers and sellers in the market. This means that market value can fluctuate depending on a variety of factors, such as changes in the economy or changes in the local real estate market. Why the difference matters. The difference between assessed value and market value is important for several reasons. First, property taxes are based on assessed value, not market value. If a property's assessed value is higher than its market value, the owner may be paying more in property taxes than they should be. On the other hand, if the assessed value is lower than the market value, the owner may be paying less in property taxes than they should be. Second, market value is important for buyers and sellers. If a seller sets their asking price too high, they may not attract any buyers. Conversely, if they set their asking price too low, they may not get the full value of their property. Similarly, if a buyer pays more than market value for a property, they may not be able to resell it for the same amount in the future. In conclusion, assessed value and market value are two important measurements in the world of real estate. While they are often used interchangeably, they refer to two distinct measurements that can have a significant impact on property values. Understanding the difference between assessed value and market value can help homeowners and potential buyers make informed decisions.